How to buy crypto on Kucoin. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on Kucoin. Now, the process itself is relatively easy and simple, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to get the Kucoin wallet and you can open it up and sign into your account or log into your account. Now, in my case, I'm unable to sign in here currently. I'm not getting the verification code due to some issues. I'm getting the error, but I'll try it back again. But however, here is how you can do it. Once you log in or sign up, you'll get the similar options as you can see on the screen, whether or not you are logged in or signed up. So here you can see the trade option at the bottom of your screen, right? You can see home, markets, trade, futures and assets. You can simply tap on trade option, and then what you want to do is here you want to tap on the little arrow icon that you can see at the top left below the spot option, and you can select or search for a particular crypto here, and once you select it you can choose it, and once you choose it you'll get the buy option there, and you can go ahead and buy it once you have enough funds and once you're logged in. In my case, I'm not logged in, so I won't be able to show it here, but that's how you can buy it. So hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.